Welcome to Crypto Horizon. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of BingX and how you can maximize your experience with our special referral code, CHUCHU. Are you looking for an exchange that offers not only a user-friendly interface, but also generous bonuses? Look no further than BingX. With its innovative trading features, BingX is making waves in the cryptocurrency market. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, using the right referral code can significantly enhance your journey. By signing up with the BingX Referral code, CHUCHU, you open the door to enticing sign-up bonuses and exclusive offers. These incentives are designed to give you a head start in your trading ventures and maximize your profits right from the beginning. Now, you may wonder, what exactly can you benefit from using the CHUCHU referral code? First and foremost, new users will receive bonus funds that can be used for trading. This means you can start trading with extra capital, giving you more flexibility as you explore the platform. Moreover, with BingX's various features tailored for traders of all levels, you can utilize the bonuses to encourage taking calculated risks in the market. This could potentially lead to greater returns, making your trading experience even more rewarding. Don't forget, using the referral code also connects you with exclusive promotions and community events. By joining the BingX community through CHUCHU, you not only benefit individually, but also become part of an ecosystem that shares insights, strategies, and trading tips. In summary, if you're ready to dive into the world of cryptocurrency trading, remember to use the referral code CHUCHU when signing up for BingX. This simple step will unlock valuable bonuses and opportunities, enhancing your trading journey right from the start. Thank you for joining us at Crypto Horizon. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights and updates on the latest in crypto trading. Until next time, happy trading.